What's your name?
Dun Dun.
Charles.
And you're from?
China.
England. I'm 34.
I'm 28.
So you've been a couple for...
2.5 years?
Yeah, it's coming up for 3 years now.
Can you briefly introduce your outfits for us?
This is from
Taobao.
These are from Zara.
And that's-
Taobao.
How about you?
I'm not quite sure where it comes from. My mom got it
your
for
mum.
me.
Show the rest of it. It's beautiful.
The dress Taobao, shoes Taobao, bag Chanel, jewelry is Taobao, and the engagement ring.
That's not from Taobao.
Absolutely not.
What do you guys do?
I'm now associate account director.
I'm a DJ and music producer.
Is this the time when you normally get up?
Yeah, I am a bit of a night owl. It depends if I'm like touring a lot. I think living with Pei Wen, we've developed like quite a good sleep schedule now.
Yeah.
Also, I'm in my 30s, so I'm old.
When he came back from the tour, I'm trying to help him with the jet lag and everything. Try to keep him awake.
You make me G-time.
Yeah. With ginseng.
Ginseng, oh, it's the best thing ever. Like, it heals me so much.
When he goes on tour, you're then in London yourself?
I do enjoy time being apart. I think.
Like, listen to you on your own.
No. I have some a bunch of friends here as well, because I've been here for 10 years. Have girls' time, girls'
Girls'
night,
time.
which is really fun.